there. Today we're going to look at an app called the Foos from CodeSpark Academy. So when you open it up, it's got this little kind of red school in the background with a little blue Foo and his blue hat on. We'll open that up. Okay, when you open up the app, you want to click on Hour of Code in the bottom left-hand corner. Once you do that, it will download for a couple of seconds. And now you will have three options: puzzles, create, and explore. I'm going to recommend you start with puzzles. This will teach you how to do the basics of coding in CodeSpark. This puzzle is called Donut Detective, and you're going to learn about sequencing. Click on play to get started. And we'll start with the first level, your Donut Detective. It's going to show you a little movie, and the Foos are basically trying to collect all the donuts. Alright, so you're going to use the block codes across the bottom and drag it into this red box to tell the Foo what to do. So we'll drive it up there. The direction says to go forward. Now we're going to tap on the Foo, and she goes to collect the donut. We got 3 stars. We'll click the next arrow to go to the next level. And we'll do the same thing, but the Foo needs to move over twice. And then we'll click on her. And she got the donut. On the left-hand side, you can see what the trigger is that will make the Foo move. So it's showing you that if you click on the Foo, that's what's going to make him or her complete those steps of directions. So I want him to move to the right and then jump to get the donut. And when I tap on the Foo, she will go collect that donut. Yum! Once you get to harder levels, like level 10, you'll have the Foo build boxes and use loops to repeat activities. So for example, if we want to build 3 boxes, we can use this loop, put the build box in, and then at the end, I need to jump to the right. So I'll do jump to the right. I'll click on my trigger, and he will build 1 box, 2 boxes, 3 boxes, and then jump on over to collect his tool. Have fun completing all the levels of the Foos.